anetie na mame fa daily graphic do bokreta yi enhyase na medewo ekọ ne fa etoso aduonu mienu page 22 aywa medina obobobo ho no teso why na me to be concentrating na wo shada bokreta ne fa etoso aduonu mienu ene aduonu miensa ha ya eba mane se je ho ze positive wache enipa 26
nkora tu pepepep
sasa ye bi pa okroimo toy gan say na me see afi dem say fi anema bi cause social media as a pion na wadoje no wura table ase na say we so apie ni ade eno na ekoso achesa baba ye trend a wonnam social media babia CJ ejiremu den na eno na eye IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare na omachi enipa duonu nsia 26 ya mo chese sa toy guns no ebi di agone bi so di se hu bi di bone se ya timi bowura obi shop pion na je say obi enso srotu
abana etuo emosun etuo toy say toy di en kra ye akere wo so
hu bibi atumi si enti si je eno na je say da obokata ebo mu amane ye se atwomo kumase ene ashaman ya na je say omo threaten another any community members no omo bo mo ntrene say na yebebo otoni ade yetumi ko shopping center ni gatwe yisa toy yes yes 50 Ghana yes I do 50 Ghana
enkran tuo na
no toy tuo no
5 cities ni 7 cities
na de omo de yi
abna me kwa homa no so na me ne chairman divine agohom or ye Greater Accra regional chairman for the MPP ye ne no entwetwe enkomo chairman what menka
etu kampa me ho wache
Mr. Chairman say adwuma me ne wa na ye so
wanya scan one brand bi wo de mayenko
Chairman, so far Greater Accra region I don't know how it's going to decide for the MPP looking at how swinger region akwaye so far it is saying ground to saying Chairman.
Oh, Adom. Yeah, the kind of chair with you for na Madabia, especially MPP for Omutie, Mo station, na campaign of a 1 year papa mankancho or before. It's been a tough one, but by the grace of God, one say, Greater Accra Hano, and how acquire the next sector of everything that we are doing here in this country. Yeah, Kasa, Sabi. Economies and the TNE, Nsem na the heat na kafadia had a war. So my campaign no a year kakra, but the matter we've been able to cross that one. Been able to say MPP in Greater Accra is doing extremely well. You yourself who studios or bedino clear, you can feel it. NDC 4 nanka yeah as a normal can say because the economy was going through some challenges and Omanya baby Ajina to the extent say they've even gone ahead, we are told, to share their positions among themselves near the at the end of the day, Omo say by the grace of God, you have to repair economy no ama sebi senior anka yamamu ayire omo ka say be worse than that no see Ajina sebi year 2 year 9 akoye nim after the na adani galamsia ebinumu ye no wo hifa na demonstration no apeja all the way here in Greater Accra na basa na mu media for so boyechi ni ade so it's generally been difficult at that stage but today I mean we can say yamiada roma ya to me navigate our way through ama niama are very stable. The campaign is looking very, very good.
Okay, but Chairman, surveys and media feedbacks the capital region is not too favorable for the NPP. Is that how you see it as the regional chairman?
Well, it was that difficult. Near my money here difficult na ma kan kire.
Okay.
Oh yeah, hana yete. One say Accra dey say be a new fool baby. Everything is money. We live by day. And I don't know ko yes say be nipa no adichina or shoni left or shoni right na or shada anya bibia or the best in how far na nipa no the wolf. Oh beside the wolf na ko bisa na sama definitely wa wuti so no one di ebufu no besual. And that's how it was. And the American and also say all the demonstrations in picketing in Yamanema, I say, cause or any other region, a higher and maybe so say 2 gallons say, how can they be? Obi and 2 gallons say, Obi only gallons say, Ashanti region, for your own demonstration, now the demonstration about Greater Accra. And when people are looking at all this, now media for also, you are compelled to cover these. Then give publicity to it. It's making the work for the new patriotic party. Our region, it makes the work difficult for us. But and the government has been able to, take us out of that difficulty. Economy, I stable. Obiani wa obedautu. I stable. So, what we say, far hit apart from. Eti amakwa campaign also peja wo region high pa na subject me dey say nyama ekoye.
Okay, but so far currently NDC were 20 seats against MPP from 14 seats out of the 34 parliamentary seats a year war. You being the regional chairman, what is your projection after election? No, seat to don't say now.
Thank you. You as an ombeba 20 seats, no. Now omu 13.
No more 13, yes, in 2016.
Yes, so as an ebe drop 14 seats, no.
No more 21.
Yeah, 21.
Yes.
At 21 seats, no, and no na be ye minimum target is here. Amidu Ukasai say ya win those seats, no done. The work we are doing is anya ye kra nyame adoma. We should be able to get back our 21 seats. Sanity.
Okay, the constituencies being and mwaluswa ma target is mobesai win the account, chairman.
Many constituencies are sabi ye lose in 2020. We lost Tema East, we lost Crowell, we lost Dade Kotopong,
you lost
Medina, we lost Adenta, we lost Ampenof, we lost Central. These are the constituencies ye losing here. But it must also be put on record, say, ye losing we no more, so we won Amasama, what you have here, for the first time, and also your Modia. So, now, ye target, almost target, yes, target, almost here. What we are looking at this, say, Anya ye krano, the 21 seats are ye one that at least as a twinya eno na ye modern bonocron anima na ye twanya be account. So that's the minimum target I want.
Chairman, finally, do you feel, sir, the issue with premix fuel, especially with constituencies along our shores, is going to play a key role?
Premix fuel issue has been there since time immemorial. Yet the premise at the buy is to solve and can a for more couple. The Kwakoto petrol at oil amazing. Sometimes if the mixture formula now it affects or more machines near the and no need intervention by government subsidizing. So that problem has been there all this while. We are looking at a way to get ourselves out of that problem permanently. The solution is Excellency Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, that great visionary, Sebi, ancestors, ayin and the amaye. Anya meso ashraso, somebody of mine so now on fire and name solution or the banese. We have solar, and we are not see in abundance a coal waste. In Johnny, the effect of the sunlight. And we should rather tap it into Adia Sebi Ebebwa Ubia. Now, they all can say we should bring on board outboard motors, AUC solar. We have samples for experiment. Okay. And once we get to that situation, this premise thing will no more be a challenge a bit higher. So for now, yes, the premise problem has been there. But what we are trying to do is to navigate that department of our economy out of that permanent problem. Yeah, now I'm not going to actually we want to solve that problem once and for all. Okay. And the intervention is to bring solar powered outboard motors.
Chairman, me no se fa enkomo nsi ha yenja ona kwae wadwuma bibia ne yebesa kasa bi me da se Chairman Divine I go home say Greater Accra Regional Chairman for the new Patriotic Party and meneno atwetwe enkomo no. Now efi enu adwoyi Eddie called the 29th of November. Me say efiada nti efi dwoada enu adwoa de kopem efiada unam kroma ayahwe ubehunu buses yeah, the luckiest branded buses. Yeah, my VIP treatment. Ni atiani say to o luckiest ticket. Na shiri tra bus nim. Ujina baby awu pe bus akokrom ana pe bus yakọ baby na ukra o luckiest ticket. Na hunu bus no a ya brand ho luckiest na hwitrem free ride. And I de ema wo. Enti se unto o ticket dial star 712 hash. Star 712 hash. And they now join the winning team. Free rides and life-changing cash prices. It's all waiting for you and your community. Shining so koswa eto ticket no keep buying, keep riding, and let's make you the luckiest. The luckiest. Luck is everywhere. Abna
CJ. Wa de ekoso.
Some who's a human me in a bit of Friday, a human no more. I will find you, man. My monitor say, Breno, I am from you, Lucia. I will cry, oh, dear, CJ, my kind of uncle. Delegate of Wakatano, and him higher, Namo. CJ, no, I wouldn't say, Yenia Bass Sylvia Ban. Your born one man near the hair at the Wakata de Baye. It's a second napping course. So, your boy man ye. Na ye nyina ye posti share wo social media no said national security mpanyifo bi na etachire yo mudi sa adwuma nyina ne se wa delay flight amoma nkotenam national security e de krata ba abonte abedinan ese de asie no eni nyina so enye no kre obi a wode sobo bebo national security se free wo mo no ente sayira Albert Kandapa ni foni eda semi ho adabo krata yi e de aba dan chenso a na toshi District Assembly Common Fund muso openye ohwe ho toto na ni abedin dia wona mo ento abom ne edabokra tefe to sunsia ya wono so ereli dindindin etitaye edema Dr. Baumia ya wone emma dodo no ahia ka che wo mo sa abato ne de ebre na son memende be na wotwe na mdi kan ka che wo enkremu no ebra so koto abadan to hye se wo kwa ya no ato ama omampane abedi echalagi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na ento abono first phase no my canker one of pay just say, what do I fancy magic? Na no, much as 6 constituencies. Yeah, Kwalekuloti, Tama East, Ashaman, Tama Central, Lejokuku, Ladade Kotopon, and when you now are cobon to 1 more man for no Akasa, delegate a man bo enonom. Na Edan Chenswa, or Mampania Bedia Chokopon, Honoma, or much as 1,072. Housing project CJ and wakopa hon to my ever one man ye we share daily guide anim ha edaha adan de chesenia abanso then ne wo hai e bi roofing e bi de we nyina roofing nyina hwe mu DBS atiase roofing ha de ye red ba bi e blue ni ade a eno mo de abobo adan ne so roofing de open papa e be che de a e hwa na CJ eno no we daily guide abokata daily graphic mu so ebo amane usete pahene nana adusei atwenewa ampem nana ebedi ne silver jubilee nyame adoma memenda ebei na ne saso no investment target wodi asina ni suru de chese ano ahye ano den pa nana etena so wadi dwuma wabomoden asanso ahwe ehyehyeye tepankoso tepampuntu nyina na wo hwema activities dodo no na da bokata ebo ho amane a na wo de ahyehyehye so yo mo ehwese ebeko wo mo ehwese wa donate 70 acres asase yo de ama ahafo no north mansin hospital ni sie no wo de ama e wo tepa honom enye no kwa eba na pomodi a wo ye dwuma so wasanso de 20 acres ya asase aka ho ama free of charge Ghana Armed Forces so wo mo de besi military base e wo krom honom a tesa dwuma pania ye sige edoso scholarship pahene edema ene enhyehyɛ ne de eye bebre ntia no nyina keka ho bi enne ni sɔde hu na ja nimfie silver jubilee wo bedie no woni omanfo na ebeka bom na wo madi no pepepe nti no wo ye tepade hye a ebra so kofie ne koka wo hene ho na monye ema na nye fɛ mi sɛ yunta na no ya na me kofie
nyambo abro nyamu sei
madaroma and
see you to me kasa
me de ko fa ho
be na to me kasa
ben ukrum na to me
kasa na ne me ko strasi kesa me na kuma ne me wo fam ani aja ya go fie ya go fie we bro nyamu sei se me kwa me ko sasi o esanse se won so me papa obo nkrase ne ba ko esanse selfie sense se selfie na lizi makeup was all free na me wo esanse enti ye chin to haya ko fie tepafo mon ko fie ai ti je dia ye dia srade nkomo ya wa aja woni ye rabla kwadi mon komo ya ni da bokata ka ho asem ha na graphic ni isi so ebe hye nkomo di ase ahwe ahobo a omo de agu akwan so nyame gadoma ochina sije adin asem ne de wo ha basisi so
kololo impression
kololo
say britia we yim wa obo homoden papa nkran kasa no
oh wow
obo homoden in fact, within this short time, Abna is really doing well in the Ga language. Bravo, Abna.
Assessment officers here.
Atiefo Mejimudi atiefo atedada assembly on ma radio kan say ma yen repeat you because ebu awudi agro na waju so be repeat
okay do this na an our class at chance we say ma kwanda DJ for that kapa anko
na say susu
ebu person mo to be sing to the aso me botira me botcha patron kan no me gususia na sije de me di wie eye de anko da bokrata yi mu wo sha say ya eja to fadama market eja atofada sika egu ha ase na nya sika keto o bondele ya ne 200 Ghana jatum wo mo chese 800,000 Ghana cedi na ase ya chese ye ka ho aseme wo ha na no kwasie da ye o ne na nse ya anadwo be se no nkron na eja no so edwanim na omo chese ho no eyase enuadan store sa enua kiosk ni ade na eja tomu a omanfo fie bi so no mo de mu sa omom de kiosk mu ni ade enkenka obola top down settlement wono na no omo chese Mohammed Baba mi yo no ene join se kasa ye sister station na chese ni sika 800,000 Ghana cedis nyina no eja tomu ahye no chese abrante de se guniti a o twa adwo wo se ye so oye mobile money business CB ena osanso kipu ne susu savings ewo hono mo I don't know enkrofo de enti obi be yesusu na je waje de ato hono mo se no sije enkrofo jete na ahyesa no krofo jete enkrofo sika ena ahyesa sika ye be di bronya sika na asigu ha sa no ti sije da bokrata no me fa eye emu amane no esi ewo ha na me birthday ne de ye